Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error when you are trying to stream some video versus there's an audio rendering error. Please restart your computer. So if you tried restarting your computer and you're still having problems, I'm going to go over how to hopefully resolve the problem. First thing I would suggest would actually be to restart your computer and see if that's cleared up the issue. Another thing you can try, I would suggest unplugging and plugging back in your headphones or speakers and just see if that maybe will be able to resolve the problem as well. Another thing you can try once you've just done that by removing any external headphones or whatnot would be to open up the start menu, type in device manager. Best Match should come back with device manager. Left click on that one time. So once Device Manager is open here, you want to go expand the sound, video, and game controller sections. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand. And then whatever is listed down here, I would suggest right clicking on it. Left click on Disable Device. It says disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Left click on Yes. And then once you've done that, right click on it again. And now left click on Enable Device. If you have any other sound devices listed in here, do the exact same thing. Another thing you can try, if we close out of here, would be to open up the start menu, type in run, R-U-N, Best Match should come back or run, left click on that one time, and now in this open field you want to type in mmsys.cpl, exactly it appears on my screen. So again, mmsys dot or period, whatever you prefer to call it, cpl. And then left click on OK. Now it should list out any speakers and other playback or recording devices listed in here. You want to make sure whatever you want to be set as default is turned on. So you can see I have my speakers are the only one that's currently set up here. As well as recording, you can tell there's only one thing being shown here, and that's the microphone. So if you're having problems and you want to just make sure you turn it on, if you have multiple playback devices in here, just left click on the one that you want to set as default and then left click on set as default here. And if you're still having problems, you can go over and left click on the properties tab. Once you have selected the speaker, of course, whatever you're looking to change, and then left click on the advanced tab, you want to set your audio device default format here to 16-bit, and then if you want to change it to 44/100 Hertz. You can also keep it at 48,000 Hertz as well, but you might want to play around with this a little bit and see if this would resolve the problem. I would suggest taking note of what it was originally before you change anything, and if you ever made a mistake, you can always just left click on Restore Defaults down the bottom left. So again, hopefully one of these methods was able to resolve your problem, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.